Here I have OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I'm going to show you how to record, how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So first let's open camera, and when you're in a slow motion mode, by tapping on this icon here you can change its speed. So like the more FPS slow motion has, the slower it will be. So like this one is the fastest and this one is like slow as, I don't know, slow as life. So yeah, and you can also enable ultra slow-mo, which will like make it even slower. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.